All right, so I'm here at IPG's demo booth featuring their Lightweld solution. And so I'm joined by Johanna, and Chris is behind the phone. And so Johanna is going to take me through a quick laser welding demo. So here we go.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
This guy here is Lightweld XR, or fiber laser based anti-fouling system. Basically, inside this box here, we have the fiber laser itself, all the control electronics for the system, and then air cooler for the laser. From the back side of the unit, we have the fiber cable coming all the way here to our welding head. Basically, the fiber ends approximately here. That's where the laser will first exit the fiber, and after that it gets to this section where we have a rotating mirror that we can use to manipulate the laser beam position.
Okay.
What it actually does is that if you look at this red pointing wire here, that shows you exactly where the laser beam is pointing to the workpiece. Now, during the welding process, you can see how it kind of expands into a line.
Yes.
So that is now our mirror doing very fast back and forth motion to create that line pattern.
Okay.
So, for example, if you compare this to a traditional welding process, where you would be doing that weaving motion while you are welding, now in this case, the mirror is actually doing that work.
All automatic.
So you are just going straight, and in the meantime, the mirror is doing that.
Okay.
On the welding head, we have two triggers. The first one is for the shielding gas, and the second one is the actual laser trigger. However, because of the safety interlocks in the system, you cannot fire the laser unless the nozzle tip is in contact with the workpiece.
Okay.
So here we have the safety interlock wire connected to our welding table, which means that, for instance, if I weld something here, if the nozzle tip falls off the workpiece, the laser will turn off.
Okay.
So that's a safety feature to make sure that the operators can touch the laser in random directions.
Yes.
In their hands or
good safety to have set up. Yeah.
So the way the welding process works is that first you get the shielding gas running. The welding head shows this solid green indicator light. Then you get the notification on each workpiece. The indicator light starts blinking.
Okay.
That means now the laser is actually ready to fire.
Okay.
So for today's demo, we will use these 14 gauge stainless steel plates. First, we will put a couple of tack welds there to hold the plates together, and then we will use the wire welding program for these tack welds there.
Great.
So first, program 80, that is our tack welding program for stainless steel. It's basically a 3-time routine where the laser first ramps up, stays on for a few seconds, and then ramps down. And basically, you keep holding both triggers until the program completes the laser function.
All right.
So, to give you an idea how the process works, I will run the first type of myself, and then I will let you play with the system.
Great.
So, first get the shielding gas running, then get the nozzle tip in contact with the workpiece, and then you are pretty much ready.
All right.
A little bit lower than that, so keep this trigger surface like parallel to the workpiece.
Say that again.
So keep this trigger surface parallel to the workpiece surface. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, good to know. All right. Just like that, we're spot welding.
And on the back side, you can see that we have a good consistent heat signature showing that we have good calibration.
Yeah.
So then for the Lightweld, that's one our sample right there. And then I switched to program H2. That is our wire welding program.
Okay.
Now, with this program, whenever you are holding the laser trigger, you can see how the wire trigger is running. And this actually makes your welding process very easy because the wire feeder will be like pushing you.
Okay.
So you basically start from that edge, keep the wire tip in front of the workpiece, welding at that 45-degree angle, and then once you get the laser going, you will notice how the wire feeder starts pushing you. Just let the wire feeder set the speed for your process. That will take over 2 minutes.
And just run it off the part, basically? Run it weld off?
The easiest way to end the weld is just run over the edge because then the interlock will turn off.
That's great. That's great. Easier the better for me.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Works off 3-stage trigger system. Back here in front, nozzle riding on the wire. What happens is as the wire is speeding out, it's actually pushing your hand back and it's setting your travel speed for you.
Look at that. That is perfectly beautiful.
Ooh, I like that.
On the back side, we have nice work.
Great. Can I try it again real quick?
Sure.
I'd love to. I don't get to play with the laser welder often, so, well, ever, so gotta take advantage.
If you want to make it a little bit more fun, we can actually switch the laser to pulse modulation mode.
Oh, yes, please.
Wire feeder will still be running at the same speed.
Okay.
Everything else works with the same principle, but now with the pulse modulation mode, you get these large.
Oh, yes, please. That'd be great.
Time stacking switch. So just a second. I will go to your. And everything works with the same principle. And
Okay.
now the process just sounds different because of the pulse modulation.
Pulse, yeah.
But,
All right. You good? Gosh, that easy. That is fantastic. All right. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for stopping by.
Yeah, you're welcome.